All right, guys. So we have the Tomei almost installed. I'm gonna take you down to the Z right now. I'm gonna go down to the Z right here. As you see, we have it on the fucked up Y pipe, and we are placing it right here. There's the bracket if people are having trouble figuring this out, and we are putting the gasket on as we speak. On the other side, it's pretty simple. Yeah, pretty simple.